Learn synonyms for but with examples. Although she is very poor, she has not lost her dignity. However, you won't move that stone, however strong you are. Except, I can give up anything in the world except you. Nevertheless, the news may be unexpected, nevertheless it is true. On the other hand, it keeps us amused, so what the hell? Still, there is still snow on the mountain tops. Though she's almost 40, she still plans to compete. Yet, it is said that a cat of 9 lives, yet care would wear them all out. Only, a man is only as good as what he loves. Except for smoking and drinking, he is a thrifty man. In contrast with your belief that we will fail, I am confident that we will succeed. Whereas death is so final, whereas life is so full of possibilities. On the contrary, it doesn't seem ugly to me. On the contrary, I think it's rather beautiful. Nonetheless, though he's fool, I like him nonetheless. Alternatively, you can obtain one from any accredited insurance valuer. Otherwise, walk slowly on the ice, otherwise you'll fall.